You know, people ask me all the time, do you regret retiring early? And I smile and I say, some people may retire for medical reasons. People may retire for, I don't even, why would, because they're just stressed out from working and they may have regrets. They may regret the loss of the identity they had from working. Sometimes when you work, you feel like you have an authoritative presence. And then after you retire, it almost becomes like, who am I? Me, actually, what happened with me was I don't think I knew who I was when I was working. And I actually found myself in retirement, which is the strangest thing. And I love who I am. I really do. And I could never say that before. I have no regrets. There's nothing that I could think of that would cause me to say I retired too early. So, regret retirement? You'll never hear that come out of my mouth. And a lot of times people have money anxiety after retiring. Maybe you just need to get a part-time job to make a little extra money. But working part-time and working full-time are two totally different things, trust me, because being a part-time worker is much more relaxing than going in to work a full shift. So that's something that's always available if you retire early and you just, you really feel like, oh, I need to be around people, or I feel like I have nothing to do. And that's another one of the things. Too much time, nothing to do. So that's when you may look into part-time work. Me, YouTube keeps me busy. I mean, I'm not making great money or anything on YouTube, but it gives me the ability to constantly research, to constantly learn things. And that's one of the things I enjoy about doing YouTube, is it gives me the ability to feel like I'm actually learning something as well as doing something and hopefully helping others. So it's like a job in a sense, but it's a very rewarding job for me. Some people miss coworkers, even the ones that annoy them. I have missed some of my coworkers who I consider maybe friends, but I am not regretting not working because of friends, that's for sure. And some people, they wonder, wow, did I really leave too soon? They think about that because, you lose 30% of the full retirement benefits, but is that really worth it to stay another 5 years or so after, instead of taking early retirement? Me personally, I could not see myself still working at this time in my life, because I've enjoyed being single. I've enjoyed being alone by myself in a home, because it's given me the ability to figure out who I am, what I want, and how I want it. And it's just a very freeing feeling to be able to retire and find something that you enjoy doing, which I enjoy creating YouTube, and just enjoy your life. And I really like it. I have no regret. When I think about when I used to work, my life belonged to alarm clocks, time clocks, and somebody else's schedule. Now, there's no alarm clocks. I don't really have a schedule, and my time is my time. So, why would I regret retiring when I have those wonderful things? And I get to sleep, rest, just do what really matters to me, what's important to me, or what I enjoy doing. And that's one of the greatest things about retiring early. You still are able to do things. You still, in your prime of retirement when you retire early, because you're still young enough to do things that you wanted to do when you were working, but yet you're old enough to be more responsible. So you get to make your own rhythm of how you want to operate through this life. And I really, really enjoy the freedom of being retired. Now, when I took early retirement, a lot of it had to do with the way I was feeling. My back was hurting. My knees were hurting. My mind was hurting. And my health thanks me every day that I stopped working when I did, because I was falling apart. Even my doctor, she's happy that I don't come in there complaining that I'm hurting from my head to my toe. So now it's just a matter of getting my blood pressure under control and just staying busy, staying physically busy, keeping my energy level up. And I feel stronger than I've ever felt. Well, not really, but but I do. I feel strong and I feel healthy, and I like that feeling. I like feeling like myself again, because I've never been a weak woman. I've always been I felt strong. I've always felt strong. So being able to be retired and still feel healthy and strong is a wonderful thing. When I first retired, I was in such a bad state, and now it's almost like I bloomed again. It's almost like I'm going back in time, So it's a great feeling. I really do love it. Being retired, all the little things, they just hit different now. I'm more thankful for just the small things in life, the joy of having my own time frame. I'm not rushing anymore. I'm not a very spontaneous person. I used to be, but now I have to plan things. I can't just jump up at the top of a hat and just be ready to go. I have to plan what I'm going to wear, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to feel. So I've become more of a planner now. I would say that's one thing that has definitely changed for me since I retired. I have become more of a planner. I plan things out a little more than before. Before I was a little more spontaneous. I was ready to go. I just enjoy taking my time and preparing for whatever it is that I have to do. And when I retired, I realized that I have grown more in the past 2 years than I've ever grown in my life. That's how I feel. I've just learned who I am. I've learned things that I like to do. I think I have a higher tolerance for things now, whereas before I was just, too quick to react to things. Now it takes a lot now for me to react to things that may bother me. And I guess it's because I get a chance to really evaluate what's important in my life. So it's just, life has a new purpose for me, and I just feel like I want to enjoy every moment that I can. It's just like I don't feel like I'm slowing down. I feel like now I'm steering my own ship, I'm the cruise director. I'm the cruise captain. I get to take my ship where I want to take it. And I didn't retire early to stop living. I retired early to, I guess, get my health back, to get my life back, or to get my life. And I retired early so I could live in my retirement. So no, I have zero regrets on early retirement. Life has just become simpler. My life is extremely happy. And my life just feels like it's my life. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video on me expressing how much I've enjoyed retiring, and I have no regrets about early retirement. And I hope if you make a decision to retire early, you'll have planned out what it is that is making you retire early, and you have no regrets about it either. You guys take care. I love you. Mwah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.